think the headache is caused by my old prescription glasses. So I'm hoping that the last situation gets sorted soon, because it's obviously affecting how quick I'm working as well. I've let go of trying to find a new training fit for tomorrow, the sports day tomorrow, just because I just feel really exhausted and I feel like I've spent enough money, so I'm not doing that. I need to check my car because not everyone's, but I've seen a couple of posts of cars that are stronger than mine having shattered windscreens. So let's go see. She's good. Checked every window. Yeah. The grass. Damn. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Buhle Mayatula if it is the first time you're tuning in, and I hope you stay, enjoy, and please do not forget to subscribe. So we're trying this vlogging thing, week 2. Yeah, today I wasn't sure if I was even going to survive the day. I actually low-key wanted to take a day off, so I'll just show you snippets of my day. I worked, and then I had a doctor's appointment, or an optometrist appointment. Finally, after work, went grocery shopping, so got some little things, few things that I had run out of. Like, child, who runs out of toilet paper? I ran out of toilet paper. It was hilarious because I'm like, I felt like I was at a man's house because I never run out of toilet paper. Anyway, we went to get like mini grocer for the week, including toilet paper and paper towels. And that was just chilled. I also need shampoo, so I'm gonna wash this hair and wash my hair underneath soon. But this hair, look at it, it's so oily. I don't even know, child. I don't even know, but I'm not stressed. We having our sports day / fun day / year end tomorrow, so I need to remove my nails because, like I told you guys last week, they were 3 weeks old last week. So they gotta go tonight, especially if we're gonna be playing sports. I don't want to not have a good time because a nail broke or whatever. It's already late and I'm just so tired, guys. I can't explain how exhausted I am. I'm so tired from everything, but I'm like, I need to do at least my nails. My hair, not so stressed because I can cap it out. Guys, it's Tuesday, the sports day. Really cold after the storm yesterday. I'm not sure how today is gonna go, but I'm gonna wear a jacket and just make my way. As we've arrived, look at the black girls making it on time.
like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can't test me. Way I put it down. Jagaban, them I call me number one. Understand, man, I put them on the run. Can't understand, never putting on the show, on the road. Man, I give them on the go, on the pole. Man, I ringing up the show.
So today was a really good day. What a litty day. I've been home since 7, and yeah, I've just been chilling, calling all my people, catching up with, everyone. And I'm about to sleep. Tomorrow is just gonna really be a lot of work kind of day. I'm not running any errands, even like all the other time that I usually spend on errands is going to also just go to work, just to make sure that anything that we might have missed today is done. Also forgot to mention actually that I had a wine spill on me twice today, and the second time my phone caught fire, which I did not really realize would be a lot or a big situation until I got home and I was talking to my sister, and she's like struggling to hear me. Oh, I nearly cried. And I put my phone on rice. And the charging port was just, it was not giving. It just said no. So this is your sign not to put your phone in rice. And yeah, just don't put your phone in rice if you're trying to get alone. I don't know what else you're gonna do, but just don't do the rice thing. Okay? Good morning, guys. It's been a while since I done this thing of jogging. I think I went last week, Tuesday. That's the last time, so let's do this. So my lips are dry. I'm having a very strange day, and work is like on my neck. I don't know. I'm very anxious. And I kind of like block. But let me go finish. Luckily, it's almost... It's Thursday, and wow. Yesterday was so down. Like, I was so tired from Tuesday. And there was just also so much work to do. Even today, I literally just came out of 2 meetings that I had to lead. So I'm very... I don't know. And I obviously did know. I had a feeling that at some point in these weekly vlogs, I'm going to come back to my routine of just being fully focused on work. But I'll find a way to share it in an exciting way at some point. Right now, it is lunchtime, and just want to make some lunch, upload last week's video, and yeah, I think I'm gonna have just a cheese sandwich. I don't know, cheese and egg, grilled cheese. Maybe I have a grilled cheese sandwich. Not sure. Yeah, today, no plan for the day. Today, like I said, back to normal. I work and I work and I work, and then I eat, and then I work and I work and I work. I didn't go for a jog this morning. I went yesterday morning. Today I didn't want to wake up. I think I slept too late to wake up. So luckily it's not super hot. I might go at 5. I'm hoping that will actually happen. And in terms of supper, I wanted to try this lentil salad, so I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but let me defrost. Ooh, I have Vienna. Okay, I think I'm gonna have some Vienna for lunch. For someone who hates chicken, I have been consuming only chicken since like last year. It's actually hilarious. But I haven't done groceries, guys. I told you guys. I'm being so anxious. One, and I don't want to run. I don't want to do anything, but let's move. Guys, I'm so excited. I figured out what I'm listening to during my run today. And obviously my cap is on, guys, because I'm going outside and I'm going to be looking like this always. I need to actually wash my hair today, but I'm hoping, like, the excitement that I got from, like, just in my head hearing the song got me so excited. I get why you guys like music now.
Fly, I look good. You can't touch my back. say she get it from her mama. Mama say you fuck her right. Body rude is unpolite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Pausing hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memory I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Just lay where the love is high. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly.
Good morning, guys. I am so tired, but I just got up and I saw that there's load shedding at 8 and Osis is coming at 8. So I just want to get started with some laundry that I can put outside. I really need all my sheets and stuff washed today. So let me get the So Sissy loves the bread, so I'm gonna go to Spar now because I think it's the only store that's open. I'll just buy bread because I haven't made my grocery list for next week yet, so I don't know what I'm gonna eat, and I haven't eaten the stuff that I bought for this week. So I don't usually do this, but let's show you guys what I'm wearing. So if you are suspecting that Angakashami, you are absolutely right. You are right. Come dog pick sayo. Anyway, should I put on a bra, guys? I really am just going to get bread. Miss the days where I wasn't a serious member of society because, baby, I want to go like this. Once a bit, I'm gonna go like this. I think I'm gonna go like this. Hey, little cubs. I feel, yeah. Okay, maybe not a stomach out, you know what I mean? But like, yeah. I'm going like this. Let's go get bread. Grown girls. Guys, why is he giving natural baby in her natural element? I personally can't. Guys, I'm gonna take a nap here. Also, who wakes up at 6 on a Saturday? Guys, I just wanted you guys to see how beautiful the clouds are. We're making fried chicken today, and I'm not know if I'm making wraps or mini tacos, but yeah, gotta take it back. Guys, please look at my beautiful chicken. So busy with the last. So we're going to be having wraps for supper. This was supposed to be part of my lentil, what's this thing? Part of my lentil salad, but we never really got around to it, did we? We never did. So now here we are finally having this chicken because I'm like, girl, You've been in the fridge. You gotta be there. Us and I are going to like watch movies. She was prepping for an interview earlier. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. So she was here to actually prep for the interview and do an interview. It's one of those interviews where they're recording you during the interview and then you kind of have to like answer her recording. So she was like, girl, I'm having internet connection issues. Let me come through. Also, I had to help her prep. And on the upside, the prep that I had came up in the interview. Sauce, yeah. Just made a sauce. Tastes amazing. Time to eat. Have a mini salsa thing going on here. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in vinegar or just leave them dry. I think I'm gonna have some tomato, cucumber, pepper, and some chilies and parsley in my sauce, which tastes like, if you have like tasted the sour cream dip, it used to be my favorite growing up. It tastes like that. So I put in onion, not onion. I put in mayo, some Nando's peri peri hot sauce, sweet chili, like very small amounts of these other things, and then I put in some aromat and oh, not forgetting the what's this thing? Garlic. It tastes splendid. AIDS. Life.
Oh, that bang.
This one's pinned. Really tiny strips.
What are you gonna do with the sauce if you don't finish?
It's just aggressive. And I'm taking my sister to the Gauteng station. Well, she wants me to draw her brows before she goes to this birthday. Yes, she slept over because it just made sense. Huh?
My socks are. It's like, no, something's weird about my feet.
Anyway, so she's going to her birthday Sundays. And my plan for the day is nothing. It's Paula. I must do my grocery list for the week, like make my menu, like what am I eating, just to make sure that I have all the food. I know I don't have meat. Also, please remind me I must get pork.
Oh, yes.
I'll get pork. Do you have potatoes?
Yeah, I do.
I'm gonna take some potatoes because I don't want to buy potatoes.
Those are the ones that you gave me.
I know it's the ones that I gave you. Now I need some of them back. So I'm gonna do a bit of grocery shopping at Asa's apartment. Please bring the Woolies bags, ne? All of them. Whatever you find in the drawer. I just want them to stay in the car because I'm tired. Then I'm gonna come back home after dropping us off at the Gauteng station and like have brunch breakfast. I don't know what I'm gonna have. I'm not feeling super hungry. Like we ate and then we had a whole packet of chips and so I'm still quite full. I think I'm just gonna have cereal, but you know, a nice toasty something would be nice. Like I feel like making liver, but I'm like, that's a lot of energy for someone who's not hungry. So I don't know what I'm gonna eat. Ooh, French toast would be nice. Maybe French toast.
You're amazing. If it was not her thing.
like having it as a salad, or doing what I'm doing now, like just turning it into a sandwich. I'm gonna try like a chicken mayo situation with the leftovers and hopefully it tastes good. It's load shedding, so I can't toast this. It would bang. That's toasty. The salads. I'm out of tortilla wraps or tortillas, so gotta use bread. We're not stressed. I saw someone add Parmesan to a sauce like this. We'll see if it works. And I think I'm in between bathing during load shedding and working during load shedding. I think I'm gonna bath and then maybe work in the afternoon. I don't know. But I'm gonna use some of it as a spread. Just make sure I taste the sauce because the sauce is what is giving. As for supper, girl, I suspect we're ordering it today. We're choosing rest. I wish I'll cook again. And I'm going to I think I'm gonna order like a curry or banana or something. I'm gonna mix this up. This is more than what I thought. Not me loving that I have run out of bubble bath. And my mom said something about bubble bath last week, but I haven't bathed in the bath in so long. I haven't taken a bath in so long that I probably slipped my mind. Absolutely using shower gel. Ciao. We're not going to suffer for nothing. So I have a fear of mixing water that's too cold with the like mixing my water and then it becomes too cold. So I just pour it and then I'll go bath in 30 minutes. So we've hit the 30-minute point. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm hoping that it's actually okay now. Ooh, so hot. It is so hot. Oh, it's so hot. I think about 2 hours later, I'm finally in the bar and I enjoy a series. And I'm doing a face mask. I'm using this Himalayas detoxifying charcoal mask. Am I the only one who feels super dehydrated after a bath? Because girl, I ran out of that bath and I'm still in my towel because I do not have capacity to lotion right now. I just lotion my face. That's it.
Are you gonna be?
Ooh, they watch the TV. Ooh.
Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Are you gonna be? Well, still in love, so in love, still in love.
been load shedding. Now, here's the light, and while I'm sitting here, I don't know if you're sitting on the couch and the lights go off, but it's not. Might happen at 8:30, but I need to work. So we're just gonna have some coding and get to work. Okay.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be?